Okay, so today we're gonna be playing.
Later on, we'll put that chicken in and heat it up. We gotta eat that. I don't want to waste it. This thing costs a lot of money.
Yeah. Anyway, today we're gonna be playing Hot Ball 3D. Now, this is a game that I've had on my phone for a little bit, and I had never really gotten to play it. And I'm like, I'm bored. Let's play this. So we have Faded and Closer.
우리 엄마 매일 내게 말했어 언제나 남자 조심하라고 사랑은 마치 불장난 같아서 다치니까 멈출 수 없는 이 떨림은 어린 너를 원해 내 전부를 너란 세상에 던지고 싶어
Right now, you guys can hear me.
수 없어 우리 사랑은 불장
Okay. We got this. I don't have anything. Let's turn this down the way. It doesn't sound like an ad. So if I can just... Why was I doing that? I put my nose on it. Heck! Heck! 1 second. Anyway, never mind about that. What do y'all want to see then? Let's play the cat game. Let's play the cat game.
I wanted to wash my glasses. I'm gonna go blind it. I don't think the lights are now.
Yeah, I guess. I kind of want to show y'all my... You are officially a crazy cat lady. Oh my gosh, yes. I want to show y'all my cat tower and all my cats. So we have Hades, Annard, Inario Kami, Molten Freddy, and Aphrodite. I need food. If in doubt, hit the tabby key. What's the tabby key? Okay. I got a lot of money. Just gonna buy some cheese. Go back. I'm sorry I've been so quiet. I was kind of focusing on the game. So yeah, those are my starter cats. My basic cat level. Now we got Steve, Chubsters, Montgomery, and Pat. Montgomery, hello. Then we got Vaughn. Are you satisfied? Giles, of course. Also, if you may notice some of the names, yes, from Origins of Olympus Season 2, Giles. You guys know, and Diva. Grace Cat Lady. Just say I can punch it. There you go, Pat. Gotta feed you all. Let's see what we get. Please, cat, please, cat. Yes, cat! Oh, I don't know what I'm gonna name you. What am I gonna name you? What am I name you? What can I name you? I'm gonna name you Rosie. Like, I am so... Wait. I'm trying to think of something. How about Xylo? Like Xylo, son of Hades, maybe. Or Rico. Rico. That's your name. Rico. Rico D'Angelo. That's your name. That's your name. Choose. That's your name. Rico. That's it. Yay, I'm level 5! I got a floaty cat. Give me that floaty cat. Sanctuary, Mythic, Light, Dark, Kaiju, Kaiju. Oh, it's like Kitsune's. Wizard of Oz, Alice in Wonderland, Fairy Tales, cheese, fruit, candy, fast food, breakfast, Italian food, veggies, Persians. But I think it's like the breed Persian cats. Magic guns. Oh, that kind of looks like glam rock. This one right here, that looks like Glamrock Freddy. I swear. Swan Lake, oh, Mermaid, Zodiac. Where's the Leo? Oh my god, Leo. What are you? Virgo, Aries. I bet that's Taurus. That's gotta be Aries. Aries, Day, Gemini, Cancer. Story card. Okay, this is the premium catalog. kind of cute. Wait, what am I gonna name you, Floaty? It's that one. It's that one that loves swimming. Where's one of those? I think I'm gonna name you. What am I gonna name you? My mind went blank. I think I'm gonna name you Sunny. That's a cute name. Look how cute you are. Okay. Where is Craft? Oh, Craft. I'm an idiot. Sweet, I got a whole lot more logs. I spent like all my money doing that. Bank. So much I got. Contest vote. Okay, let's try this. Bet y'all could hear that. I'm gonna show y'all this and then I'm gonna go. Mind me. I got the hiccups now. Okay, we're good. You gonna load up or not? No? Just gonna exit you out. Wait. Okay. Well, I'm gonna stop there, guys. Well, I hope y'all have an amazing day. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and leave a comment down below. Bye.